So my lens is dirty, and I'm here at the old house. It's getting winter time. I want to show you, the chaotic pendulum. I hurt my back, so I can't be out doing very much. I need a haircut. Anyway, I want to show you. I know my lens is dirty. Let me just flick. We got the thing they call a chaotic pendulum, which is a magnet at the bottom, a magnet here. I got a coil of wire on there acting as a electromagnet as it swirls around in the electric field. And it goes for a while, but this free energy stuff, the magnets aren't the key. In my humble opinion, I don't really know a lot about magnet or about electrical engineering, but I do believe that magnets are not the most important part of that. I think electricity, I don't know, I just don't think magnets are the key. They're fun to play with, and they're mysterious, and really I don't think anybody really knows exactly why they work the way they do. I haven't found a video on YouTube yet that exactly specifies exactly 100% why a magnet works the way it does. But you guys may be, sorry about my shadow, you might see this here. That is a capacitor board out of a organ, an old one. Of course, I've taken a couple of the capacitors off of it, and I mess around with this stuff all the time. There's a coil of wire back in there. Anyway, so the pendulum goes for a while, but it stops because of, friction, ultimately. And the friction, I'm not even talking about the air, I'm talking about the friction of the magnetic field slows it down. So anything with magnets only, any kind of device, is not the friction of the magnetic fields will stop it eventually. Like it doesn't work the way people think it works. Free energy is not real unless you can do it a different way without magnets. Maybe do it with, and there's no free energy anyway. All the energy. Hang on. Okay, jump to a different scene here. But like I was saying, there's no free energy anyway. Sorry for my lens is dirty on my screen cover's dirty. There's no free energy anyway. It all comes from somewhere and will eventually, run out. Even the stars die. Even the stars burn up, they say. So, anybody that's got a hoverboard, these little hoverboard motors are fun to play with. Just keep all the computer board and everything, all the transistors hooked together. Take it all apart. You'll see the two main battery wires coming out after you take these things apart. You don't need anything else. Just keep everything hooked up, because these sensors in here tell the wheel when to fire. Of course, I unhooked the pressure sensors, so it's not going to work anyway. But leave all this hooked together, and you can make a small generator with this. I'm going to short it out here if I can. If I can. I don't know if I can do this or not. Let's see here. Oh, bear with me. Don't leave. Don't leave. Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'll get it. Just don't leave yet. So, yeah. So. This is a DC current. And it's enough, you know, if you short it out completely, I got it shorted to the body. The harder you try to push it, the harder it resists. So, and you can spin it up like this, and it's got capacitors on it, charging. So, you know, if you're playing around with this stuff, any kind of thing that's got a capacitor on it, be careful. Always discharge it because it's always going to have some power in it. I spun it 3 or 4 times, zap. There's that stray dog Bobo come in here. Kentucky stray dog right there. She's camera shy. So anyway, no free energy, but I like to play around with that stuff. My back's hurting, like I said, so I'm gonna get off here, just make a little short video. I'll clean my screen up and get some better. I'm looking like an Amish guy. I'm gonna start getting some better quality stuff. So thanks, subscribe and like, please. I do a lot of different things, but I'll get it narrowed down one day on what we really are going to be doing on this channel for real.